Hello everyone, I am Rian Marpiap and welcome to my channel. So today, I am going to talk about an important topic, why media literacy matters today. So we are living in a digital world where we see news, videos, and posts every day. But not everything we see online is true. That is why media literacy is very important. There are misleading posts, edited photos, and false stories on the internet. If we do not think carefully, we might believe or share something that is not true. Instead of believing everything we see, we learn to ask questions like, who created this message? What is the purpose? Is the information reliable? By thinking critically, we became smarter media users and not easily fooled. When we are media literate, we avoid spreading false information, hate, or harmful content. We learn to respect others online and use social media in a positive way. So, media literacy is important because it helps us avoid fake news, think critically, and become responsible digital citizens. In today's world, being media literate is not a choice, it is a necessity. So, thank you for listening everyone, and don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think before you click, and share responsibly. So see you on the next video. Bye.